Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a tool that's aiming to be a total game changer for anyone who manages social media. If you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by the constant demand for content, all the scheduling, and the analytics, then you're going to want to stick around for this explainer on Akoya. So here's the game plan. First, we'll get into that feeling of social media overload. We've all been there. Then, we'll see how Akoya steps in as the solution, and what's really cool is its AI core. We'll explore how its automation can save you a ton of time, look at the real-world return on investment, and then at the end, we'll help you figure out which plan might be the perfect fit for you. All right, let's kick things off with a problem that is, well, it's pretty universal, right? The world of social media, it just never stops. And for so many businesses, just trying to keep your head above water feels like a full-time job in itself. So does this hit close to home? Is your social media strategy starting to feel more like a dreaded chore than an actual channel for growth? You know it's crucial, but the day-to-day grind just pulls you away from what you're actually supposed to be doing, running your business? Okay, let's break down these headaches. I mean, think about it. You're probably juggling a bunch of different tools, and they're not cheap. You've got a design tool like Canva, an automation service, a separate analytics tool. The costs just stack up. And on top of that, you're still spending countless hours just trying to create content and post it consistently. It's exhausting and it's expensive. So that's the problem, and this is exactly where Akoya steps onto the scene. What if, instead of juggling a dozen different tools, there was just one single integrated solution designed to solve all those problems? And here you have it. Akoya is built to be that central command center for your entire social media presence. The big keywords here are AI-powered and single dashboard. It basically pulls everything you need into one spot and uses some seriously smart artificial intelligence to do all the heavy lifting. So you're probably wondering, how does it all work? Well, at the very heart of Akoya is its own special AI, named Travis AI. This is really the engine that drives the platform's incredibly powerful content creation tools. Think of Travis AI as your personal copywriter, on demand, 24/7. And it's not just spitting out random text. It's built on proven marketing frameworks, like AIDA, that stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. It's a classic formula for persuasive writing. So whether you need an engaging Instagram caption, a professional LinkedIn post, or even Google Ads copy, Travis AI can generate it for you in over 50 languages. It completely gets rid of writer's block. Now, creating content is one piece of the puzzle, but getting it out there consistently is a whole other battle. This next section is all about how Akoya's automation features help you get your time back. It's all about working smarter, not harder. The workflow here is it's incredibly smart. You can connect a blog's RSS feed, and Akoya will automatically pull in articles and use Travis AI to draft social media posts about them. It even suggests the best times to post based on your audience's activity. And for e-commerce, it's a total game changer. Connect your store, and it can automatically generate posts for your new products. And this is all powered by something called bi-directional data sync. I know, it sounds technical, but the benefit is really simple. When you update a product in your Shopify or WooCommerce store, Akoya knows about it instantly. It automatically sees the change and can suggest or create new content for you. Your social media is always in sync with your store, effortlessly. So we've seen the cool features, but what about the results? Let's talk about the actual, measurable impact Akoya can have on your business. We're talking time, efficiency, and money. Take a look at this number, 80%. By automating the most tedious parts of social media, users are cutting their management time by up to 80%. Just think about what you could do with all those hours back in your week. And that huge time saving leads directly to this, a more than 40% boost in overall efficiency. You're not just working less, you're achieving more in the time you do spend, because the platform is handling all the repetitive tasks for you. And all this efficiency translates directly into savings. With less time spent and fewer tools to pay for, businesses are seeing their operational costs drop by 20 to 30%. This slide right here shows you exactly how. Look at the cost breakdown. If you're subscribing to separate tools for design, automation, and analytics, you could be paying well over $100 a month. Akoya bundles all of that functionality into one platform, with plans starting at just $15. The value proposition is just incredibly clear. And this isn't just theory. Real-world users love it. Akoya holds a stellar 4.7 out of 5 average rating across all the major software review platforms like G2, Trustpilot, and Capterra.
That level of consistent satisfaction is a powerful testament to how well this thing works.
And the feedback consistently highlights two things: the power of having everything in one place and how easy the platform is to use. So it's powerful, but it's not complicated, which is the sweet spot for any software tool, right? Okay, if you're intrigued by all this, let's find the right plan for you. Let's take a look at the options Okoya offers. The pricing is tiered to scale right alongside your business. The bronze plan is perfect for a solo freelancer just starting out. As you grow, the silver and gold plans offer way more social profiles and user seats for teams and agencies. And the diamond plan is built for large-scale operations. There's a clear path for growth right inside the platform. And probably the best part, you can try it out completely risk-free with a 7-day free trial on any plan. And if you decide it's the right fit, committing to an annual plan saves you 20%, which makes an already great deal even better. So we'll leave you with this thought. When you consider the potential to save time, reduce costs, and create better content more consistently, it's worth asking yourself, could an AI copilot like Okoya be exactly what you need to transform your social media from a chore into a true engine for growth?